We got another one with a squeak in the back. All these, even S550 squeak from that back window right there. Mine does the same thing. I was explaining to the customer, like, I don't know, that's just like a S550, S650 thing. So I took that panel out. Well, first, I lowered down the back seats and the squeak went away. I'm like, okay, maybe that back seat is rubbing up against this panel. The leather is like rubbing up against this, because it would go away as soon as you take the seats out. I mean, lower the back seats down. So took these seats out. They got way louder. I forgot how much sound deadening is in this bottom of the seat, but took this panel out and the noise is gone. So I'm thinking that seat, the seat back right there, is rubbing up against this panel, making that squeaking noise. You know, like right, you can kind of see that line right there where the seat rests at. That's what I'm thinking it is, but what can I do? Lube this up or condition the seat. They have this little pads that you can probably put on the back of the seat, you know, stop it from squeaking. But I swear that's just a Mustang thing. It's a nice ass car though. 25 performance pack, Magna ride, big screen, all the options. The back seat. I was just looking like, man, these seats will go in my car. I wonder how much, because it's the same style. But yeah, I like them gauges too. Only thing I really don't like, I'm not even gonna say it. I'm not even gonna say. It is what it is. But yeah, old school gauges. S650. I ain't gonna say no more gripes because people take it too serious and I don't even want to hear it. But very nice car.